When you're excited, I'm going to tell you the same thing I told my 21-year-old brilliant, beautiful daughter who's looking for some jobs. Some of them she's not excited about because they will sound terrible. A few of them she's really excited about. When we get excited, whether it's a relationship, a job interview, or a deal like this, follow the process of this. Current situation, capabilities needed, next steps. That will never steer you wrong. So you're excited. You're like, man, I have a hot client. I think this deal is going to close. I think it's locked in. Hey, before we get started, I just want to review my understanding of the current situation, capabilities you guys need, and taking the business from XYZ. You know, you said that you guys are doing 9,000 or 9 million pounds a year in revenue. You want to get to 15,000 and kind of some next steps in helping you guys get there. Stay cool, calm, and collected and focus the conversation on current situation, capabilities needed, next steps. And your next steps should be, you're going to sign the contract with us. We're going to get going. We should have the new, in your case, website up here within about 60 to 90 days, thus putting you on that path to set some pretty significant records here for income for the company in 2025. Does it make sense for us to get started? Right? But the problem is when deals are hot, we end up just having really fun, nice calls, and then you get off it and you're like, well, what happened? Are they going to buy from me? Are they not going to buy from me? We gotta land. Even though we're excited about where the plane is landing, we still have to land the plane. Current situation, capabilities needed, next steps. And you're going to throw your 3 questions from the beginning of this call. Does that match what you need? Yeah, it does. We finally have. We've been ignoring the website too long, Joel. That matches what I need. Perfect. Did I miss anything? No. Has anything changed since we last spoke? Yes. Since I brought it up with you, I talked to my partner. His daughter has a gold MacBook, and she said she can build us a website. But I said, no, we're not going to do with that, right? At least you know what's going on there, right? Totally get it. A lot of people think that typically puts them back to where you were 3 years ago, where you can say you have a website, but it's not performing. It just allows you to just be skillful.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.